with the Q8 we did something completely new for Audi, something really outstanding. My name is Sascha Heide and I'm working as an exterior designer for Audi Design. This is the first time I did an all-new model. It was a big challenge to recreate the really new, iconic look of the car. It perfectly combines the attitude or the aesthetics of an four-door coupe with the fully functions of a sporty SUV. I think the first eye-catching element is the new grille architecture. If you look at the front of the car, it's the single frame, the new architecture, which is coming up in an octagon shape. This octagon shape will be the next grille silhouette for the whole range of upcoming Audi Q models. There's another nice feature which is placed next to the single frame, which is called the mask. With this one, we wanted to express also the quattro attitude, the techniques below the skin, because we want to make the quattro attitude, the quattro technology visible in the design of the car. It's a couple of technical revolutions behind the car. For instance, we have very big wheels. We have the biggest wheels so far we ever had in Audi. We have very big wheel arches. Also in the bottom we have big air intakes, very sporty ones. Seeing the car from its rear, there's one stunning element which I really love. It's our black panel beam. Underlining the maximum width of the car, it gives it a really nice, powerful standing. The roofline is supposed to be a coupe, but it's different to the shape of a normal expected coupe roofline. So the outline is totally different and we still keep the appropriate headroom inside.
The elegance that we have in interior is a complement from the exterior. My name is Mauricio Monteiro dos Santos. I'm a team leader from the Q8 interior design. You start an interior with a vision. The A8 is for us a direction. And then we thought, okay, how can we combine the success from the Audi A8 in an SUV? As soon as you see the whole package and what we want to get in the end, it was quite clear that this car needs a completely new interior. Inside of the car, you don't give up on nothing. The idea was to communicate levels. So the first level, when you get in the car, you see all the usability in the car is surrounded by a black panel and aluminum frame. Then we have the second layer. This is what we call mechanical wrap, where we have the decor parts in the car. They are quite clear to see, and we have a very strong division between these layers. So you have to feel yourself very comfortable in the car. And this is the soft layer surrounding the whole interior. The interior from the Q8 is on the SUV segment for us an icon. We design like a diamond, so every face has to be polished.
It's an absolutely amazing situation to have this kind of a freedom. I hope they fell in love with it like I did immediately.
That was moments that we thought, this will never work, but let's give a try. And we didn't give up. We are never satisfied. It would be wrong if we were satisfied.
It will be our new star in the SUV segment.
The name says it's Q8. It's the top of the Q. I don't know any other company that can do this better than Audi.